Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. If not, maybe we can cheer you up with some math games, okay? So, yesterday you were working on +1 games and you played that fun, like 4 in a row game. So today I want you to go back and play your subtraction -1 games. Remember, they go in your dry erase sleeve. In fact, boys and girls, if you like this one better with the 10 frame, you can just do this one. Okay, or if you like this one better with the number path, you can just do this one, but maybe play it like a couple times if you just play one game. Okay, so remember, here, let me, remember that for the 10 frame, you're going to roll one of your dice, right? And you can either use your cubes or draw circles, and then you're going to take away one or cross it out, okay? And then you're going to write down your answer. So if I were to roll a 5, I would write down 5. I might draw 5 little asterisks, and then I'm going to take away one. So I'm going to erase one, and I end up with 4. And I would do that to fill out the whole sheet. And then on the other side, remember, you can use your number path. Okay, so if I roll, I got a 7. So if I'm at 7 and I take away 1, that means I go backwards 1, I end up at 6. Okay, so if you like them both, play both. But if you like one more than the other one, that's fine. But play it a few times, okay? On the next slide, there is another game called the same game 4 in a row, but this time you're going to subtract 1, and I have the directions there for you. And then there's another fun video of the number blocks, which if you have Netflix, you can. If anybody has Netflix, it's on there, but I was able to get it to put on the slide, so they're cute. Right? Okay, boys and girls, so you're going to do your -1 games, you're going to do 4 in a row, and then you're going to watch your number blocks video and have a great time. Okay? I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.